Well, that sucks. So much for my nice pristine bike. Alright, welcome back to Life of Birch. This is Birch, and I'm sure you're wondering how that happened. To give you the short rundown, I thought it'd be a good idea on a 63-degree January day to go out and make a quick video about how my exhaust sounds. Tried to do a little skid, and conveniently enough, not only did I lay it over, but I left the headlights on the entire time I was licking my wounds, and the car died. So shout out Thomas, my Uber driver, for taking me home. Now I got my jump starter box to save the day. We're gonna jump the bike, hope that it starts, and get going home. Moment of truth. Woo, a little flooded from being laid on its side, but we're good. All right, now that we know that she runs and all is well in the world, I'm gonna ride the bike home, get my loving wife to help me pick my car back up, and we'll let you guys check out the footage of how it happened. Well, that sucks. So much for my nice pristine bike. That's what you get for jacking around. Damn. I f***ed the whole side of it up. Well, R.I.P. to the pristine specimen that it was. The whole... What a dumb... Scuffed that all up. Bent the clutch lever. Bent that in more than it already was. Oh man, I'd be so pissed if it weren't for the fact that I just got that on video. Did it jack my seat up? No. Damn. Did it dent the tank? No. Did it bruise my ego? Yes. Man.